Ladies and gentlemen, CV Radio friends and freaks, hello again. It's a short video about my new radio in my collection. This is a strange WAGNER AM-SSB number 311, 40 channels, AM, USB, LSB. A very strange radio here. AM, USB, LSB. Here, nose blanket, CD, PA switch, clarifier, squelch control, RF gain, and here there's the volume and also mic gain. Here a mic gain. Yes, and the radio includes a very strange CYBERNET PCB with two crystal filters. Very strange. We have two crystal filters in this WAGNER SSB 311 model. I don't know this. Yes, I don't know this PCB. No plan. Thank you very much. Coming soon.